Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to find your RAM on a Windows 10 laptop on PC. And if you find this video helpful today, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new for more how-tos, step-by-step tutorials, and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So you might need to find the RAM if there's a program you're looking to install, and it might have the specifications for the program to run on your computer or laptop. And one of them that it takes into account is the RAM that you have. So there's actually two ways to do this. And the first way is if you've got your PC icon on the desktop over here, all you need to do is hover over and right click. And then if you come down and click onto properties, and you'll see it's going to bring up some information. You need to click on, you need to look just down here under system. And it's this one here which says installed memory, RAM. And it's going to tell you here what the RAM is. If you don't have the PC icon, no problem at all. What you can do is come down and right click down here on the start menu, the Windows icon, if you give that a right click. And then what you need to do is come and click onto system. And what's going to happen is actually going to load up the similar information through the settings. And you'll see down here under device specifications, you've got device name, processor, and then it says installed RAM. And that's going to tell you there how much your RAM is. So I hope you found that helpful. And if that did help, please drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below, where you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.